Hi everyone, welcome back to JDCodebase. In today's video, we are starting with the strings in JavaScript as part of our DSA series. And strings are super important because almost every problem in DSA involves some kind of text or character manipulation. So let's get started. So what are strings? Strings are basically a sequence of characters. In JavaScript, we can write them using double quotes, single quotes, and backticks. One important thing to remember is strings are immutable. That means once you create a string, you cannot directly change its content. And strings are used everywhere in DSA problem, from checking palindrome to solving complex algorithm. So let's first see some basics of string. We can create a string like this. Let's move to VS Code. Let's str is equal to hello. So here I created a string with the value hello. Now how can do we access characters? We can use indexing just like array. If I want to write this console.log string and just write 06 and I get the hello. But if I want to access the characters of this string, just like array, access them by indexing str of 0 console.log str of str dot length -1 and run this. At the 0th index there is h place, at the last index the o is here in this string. And it is a very useful property is the dot length also. It tells us how many characters are there in the string, like console.log str dot length and just run this. I get 5 as the length of this string. So these are the basically coming from these array methods, like this indexing or dot length. And there are some more essential methods in this string, like case conversion. Let s is equal to, sorry, like console.log s dot to lowercase, console.log str dot to uppercase, and this convert the into the lowercase and the uppercase, this hello string. Like in this h is the capital, here all of them are the lowercase, and now in the uppercase. So how we can access the characters? One way is like the indexing str of square bracket, and one more way is the str dot char at index 1, and at index 1 I have the e in this string he, and so these are the same basically like str of 0 by using square bracket and by built-in method like caret. And now next is the searching, like let message is equal to I love JS, and if I want to JavaScript, and if I want to search the index of love in this console.log message.index of love, and just run this. So this gives the second index is the for this love. And if I want to check whether the Java is present in this or not, by message dot includes Java, and this gives the true for this. And if I add this s, again this gives true, because it's checking from the from left to right, and check whether the string is present in this or not. If I replace this s with the t, now it checks, it say false, because it check whether this complete string is present or not like the half is present and half is not. So we can search inside string using the index of and dot includes. Now next is the substring extraction, like let word is equal to JavaScript, and if I want to extract the Java from this, word dot slice, and it starts from the 0th index, and now I have to give the end index, means 4. If I run this, I get the Java as the this. It means cut the string into the from the 0th index to the 4th index. It means 0, 1, 2, 3, 4 and till the A. And one more method is the like word dot substring, and it also gives the same output like the slice. So both give the same output, the Java. Next is the trim extra spaces. If I write let space is equal to hello and write the space and space dot length, I get hello string and the length of the string is the 9. And but if I want to remove all the trailing spaces before and after of the string, I just write this space dot trim, and now for the getting the length, just write the dot length. Now the space is before and after of this hello is the trim, and I get the length of the string as the 5. Next is the split and join method. Means I have a text A, B, C, D, and I want to split based on the comma. Let ARR is equal to text dot split based on the comma, and just write this ARR. So this gives the array form like A, B, C, D, and these are the array of strings array. And if I just I want to join this string again, means if I want to join the array, how can I achieve? I just write the console.log ARR dot join, and just give the whether you want to join with the spaces or a comma or point or a hyphen dash, just give that. I just give the blank spaces and I get based on this blank spaces. If I give the hyphen, I get the based on this, just add the hyphen in this. And next is the replace, like let line is equal to I like Java, and I want to change the Java with the JavaScript. How can I achieve? I just write console.log line dot replace, and the search value which I want to replace Java, and the replace value JavaScript, and run this. Now it changed the I like JavaScript. And there is also one more like Java I like Java, and there is one more replace all. So if I want to replace all the Javas, and search value is the Java and replace value with the JS. If I run this, I get JS I like JS. By replace all, it replace all the occurrences, and by single replace, it replace the first occurrence of the word. So these are some basically essential string method: case conversion, character access, searching, substring, trimming, splitting and joining, and replace. So where do we use string in real life? Like validating inputs like email, password, parsing data, for example log sort, JSON, searching or matching text, and of course solving algorithm like palindrome, anagram, substring problems. So that's all about strings in JavaScript. We cover basics, properties, methods, and also some useful operation for DSA. In next video, we will practice some strings problem with the coding example. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to JDCodebase for more short and simple DSA tutorial. See you in the next one.